Well, I had bad weather the other week, and needless to say, my greenhouse failed. It's these points, the wind's rocking them and it's just snapping. Yeah, because it had done it with that side, hadn't it? You see, it's the winds blew it straight out of the ground. It's even uprooted them pegs. It wasn't even that bad. I didn't even think it was that bad of a wind. That's a sellotape, right? These tents are absolute tents. These greenhouses just are not very good, these out sunny ones. Oh, I'm annoyed. I had a feeling something might be broke a bit, but not this bad. Their side stayed down, but I'm gonna have to tear this all up. That was really well dug under as well, and it's just caught under and blew it. Oh, God's sake. Oh, I don't know what I'm going to do now. I'm going to have to come back another day and take it down. I just haven't got the time today. I'm going to have a check inside it. Oh, inside, as you can see, that bar snapped. That's snapped. It's exactly where these joints are. I don't even know if that's snapped. Just put that. It's exactly where them joints are and the wind's just snapping it. It's done it there as well. Clean off right there. But even that it's not, because when you look, if you look there, it's not even, has it snapped? I think it has. But it's still quite a bit, like it's all that's bent. That whole corner's been uprooted. I didn't even think we had that bad. I knew the weather was bad. I knew it was bad, but I didn't think it was that bad. It was gonna take it all away. Obviously, a bit of a corner's come away, and it's just took it. I'm gonna have to get a full new one. These ones I can't. I can't get another one of these because they'll just break again. So I'm just gonna have to save up, get a green one. Yeah, get a glass one. But I'm gonna have to think of something to do me tomatoes and stuff this year. It's gonna be a while and I'll buy another one. I'm absolutely gutted about that. I've had a look over, there's no way of saving it. Things are snapped that just keep it up, and most of that, the cover's ripped in about 10 different locations. I thought it was protected. I mean, you've got the shed at that side protecting it from the wind, also I thought. Then even this side, where it looks like it's done the main damage, is at the side beams, and took it out of there. I thought at least this bit would have protected a bit, but it's just ripped right through it. I might go my original idea and put it over there. It looks more open, but I think it's going to have to be a glass one, or I just haven't got the money to fork out for that. I might end up buying them little tomato, I forget what they're called, it's a mini greenhouse that just covers it. It's enough for one grow bag to go inside, but I can't fork out another 80, well, for a pot of one, hundreds of pounds for a proper greenhouse that's not going to blow away the slight bit of wind. Well, I think I'll have to change what I'm growing for this year then, or grow less. My tomatoes are starting to grow as well in the propagator, so I'm going to have to get something for that. First proper allotment through winter. Should have known. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hopefully I can bring you a cherry one again, but I will see. I'll dismantle that when I've got some free time. Peace out.